Everybody, so I'm gonna promote somebody's book. Sub Oikar. Go to Amazon Prime and go and look for his name. Here you go. So if you click right here in the offer, you will see his page, and you're gonna see everything about him. You're gonna see if he has other books. Okay, so this book is called Song on the Nowhere Road, and he's part of the group on the Instagram, Facebook. That's how he communicated with me, and also on my page at the podcast. So let's read it a little bit, then I'm going to play the sample. The Song of Nowhere Road is a novel about the hurts, raining trauma of an unequated dove set in Bangalore in the early 90s. It traced the life of a bachelor protagonist, Ananto Roy, a young corporate executive with a penchant for English literature and rock music. Working in a government-owned company, he comes into contact with a variety of friends and acquaintances who feeble and romantic flings brings out various shades of interpersonal relationship in a diverse cultural milieu of a modern-day urban India. Falling in love in a bewitchingly charming but unattainable Sini Menon, Ananto finds his very world shaken to its roots, which force him to ask profoundly disturbing questions. This is just a little narrative of what's gonna happen. So I'm gonna read a little sample in here. So it was released in January 2020. Let's see, I don't see sample. Okay, so the paperback is $5.80, $2.99 on Kindle. Maybe I can ask him if he's gonna run a promotion if you're interested. It has 221 page, pretty big. And his rank in biographical literature and literary fiction is 1,800. It's not too bad. And then in fiction, and then in Kindle store, and then books are a little bit higher. And let's see. And it has 14 reviews already. So here you can read a little bit about him. He was born in Kolkata in 1968. He's an electrical engineer from Kanpur, working in a private firm at Kolkata. Beside his day job, he teaches physics and math to students aspiring to clear engineering entrance exam, especially VTGEE. Writing is both a hobby and a passion for me, and he has several poems, magazines that appear in magazines such as Sunday Telegraph, in Jayanta, Mohapatra, literary supplement of the Economic Times, Poetry Today as well, and a poetry website such as poemhunter.com. So if you don't know this website, just go look poemhunter.com, pretty easy, or poetry.com. So he has some poems in there. So his hobbies are reading books, listening to music, watching sport on TV. Alright, so you can now head on and go check out his book. Thank you.